In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Studio Sound feature in Descript. Now, this feature is an absolute game changer to improve the overall sound quality of your videos and audio files. So it's going to remove things like any background noise or any mouth clicks or any static noise that might be in your videos. It's going to strip all of that out for you. Now in this video, I'm going to be testing out the Studio Sound feature with 3 different mics. So the first one's going to be this one I'm currently using, which is a Rode Procaster. So this is a dynamic mic and it generally tends to just pick up the voice mainly and hardly any of the background noise at all really, unless it's something really loud. So this is absolutely my preferred mic for shooting YouTube videos or recording audiobooks or things like that. And the second mic I'll show you a test with will be the Rode Wireless Go 2. So this mic is a omnidirectional condenser mic. It's great if you're out and about recording, but it does generally tend to pick up quite a lot of background noise, which is a bit of a pain in the ass when it comes to your editing. And the third mic I'll show you is just shooting a little video file with my mobile phone. And then we'll apply Studio Sound to all 3 of those videos, and we'll see if Descript's Studio Sound feature is really good enough to improve the overall sound quality of your audio files, regardless of what kind of mic you're using. So if you want to give Descript a go yourself, then you can get access to the free plan via the link in the description below this video. So let's get into the video and let's test out Studio Sound feature in Descript. Okay, so what you're listening to right now is the audio sample for our first test. So this is with our dynamic mic. So in my case, this is the Rode Procaster, my preferred mic for shooting YouTube videos. Now, you're probably in this segment not going to hear any background noise. So pay attention right now to any mouth clicks and any static that might be present in the video. And then we'll see if we can go and clear it up with the Studio Sound feature. Okay, so now we've recorded our first bit of audio for our sound test. Now, to apply Studio Sound, what we need to do is come up here to the top right and select this option in the right-hand side menu bar that says Underlord. And now under Underlord, we've got lots of different features we can apply here. The one we're interested in is this one here that says Studio Sound. So you click on this, and now instantly Descript is applying the Studio Sound to our audio file. And also you can adjust the level of the Studio Sound right here if you want to change the intensity. So by default, it'll be on 100%. But if you want to change that for any reason, you can just type in what percentage of intensity you want on the Studio Sound feature. Okay, so now that's been applied, let's press play and we'll listen to that same segment of audio, but this time with Studio Sound applied. Okay, so what you're listening to right now is the audio sample for our first test. So this is with our dynamic mic. So in my case, this is the Rode Procaster, my preferred mic for shooting YouTube videos. Now, you're probably in this segment not going to hear any background noise, so pay attention right now to any mouth clicks and any static that might be present in the video, and then we'll see if we can go and clear it up with the Studio Sound feature. Okay, so that's great. As we can hear now, the Descript Studio Sound feature has taken out the mouth clicks that were there and also that weird static noise that was also present in the audio file. So far so good. Okay, now, so on to our second sound test, which is going to be the Rode Wireless Go 2. So this is an omnidirectional condenser mic, which generally will pick up a lot more background noise. So let's see how Studio Sound copes with this type of microphone. Okay, so this is a sound test with our Rode Wireless Go 2. So this is a condenser mic, which is much more likely to pick up some background noise. Okay, so we heard quite a lot more static in that audio and also that motorbike or car, whatever it was, starting at the very, very beginning of that. So I'm going to apply Studio Sound to the same piece of audio now and let's see the difference. Okay, so this is a sound test with our Rode Wireless Go 2. So this is a condenser mic, which is much more likely to pick up some background noise. Okay, so also really good. As you could hear, the Descript Studio Sound feature also removed the car starting as well as removing the static background noise that was there, and made the overall audio quality sound much better. Okay, so for our third and final test now, I just went outside for a bit and shot a 20-second video clip just to pick up some background noise, some traffic and things like that. So I want to see how well Studio Sound can improve the quality of the sound in this particular audio, shot from a mobile phone with quite a bit of traffic noise in the background. Okay, so we're back in Descript, and I'll come over to the top right and click on New Project, and I'm going to select Video Project. And now I'm going to upload my 20-second audio clip that I shot with my mobile and drag that in here and let that upload. I'll just pause the video just for a sec while this uploads to Descript, so I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so now that's uploaded, let's just open the timeline here and let's have a listen to see what this sounds like. Of course, this is before we've applied Studio Sound, so let's listen to it first. Okay, so I've just bounced outside for a bit just to record this quick video on my mobile phone with catching background noise. So I live on a busy high street, which is perfect for this type of video, not perfect for any type of video that I ever do, which is partly why I use Descript, so I can use the Studio Sound feature, so it's really handy. Anyway, at the moment, picking up lots of background noise, so let's see how Studio Sound copes with this. Okay, so as we can hear there's a lot of background noise, a lot of traffic and things like that. So now let's go and apply Studio Sound again. I'll just pause the video for a sec while Descript applies to Studio Sound. Okay, now that's done. Okay, and now let's have another listen with Studio Sound applied. Okay, so I've just bounced outside for a bit just to record this quick video on my mobile phone with capturing background noise. So I live on a busy high street, which is perfect for this type of video, not perfect for any type of video that I ever do, which is partly why I use Descript, so I can use the Studio Sound feature, so it's really handy. Anyway, at the moment, pick up lots of background noise, so let's see how Studio Sound copes with this. Okay, so I think personally, actually, that made my voice sound a little bit weird, actually. I think Descript perhaps got a little bit confused as to what's my voice and what's background noise, which kind of made the overall voice sound a bit strange. So let's go back into Descript and make a little adjustment and see if that improves it. Okay, so back in Descript now, what I'm going to do is come over to the Studio Sound setting, and here where it says Effect Settings, I'm going to click here. I'm going to change the intensity and drop it down a bit to 80%. Then just hit return on my keypad. And now that should have applied instantly. Let's listen to it again, see if it sounds better. Okay, so I've just bounced outside for a bit just to record this quick video on my mobile phone with capturing background noise. So I live on a busy high street, which is perfect for this type of video, not perfect for any type of video that I ever do, which is partly why I use Descript, so I can use the... Okay, great. Personally, I think that's much better. When the Studio Sound feature was up to 100%, there was zero background noise at all, but my voice was a bit distorted. But when we dropped that down to 80%, we had a bit of the background noise, but it wasn't too loud that it was interfering with the video, but my voice was also clearer as well. So I think that's much better. For this type of video, I'm outside, of course, there's going to be a bit of background noise. It is probably a bit kind of weird if there's zero background noise anyway for an outside video. So personally, I think that's a pretty decent result. So if you want to test out Descript yourself, then you can get access to the free plan via the link in the description below this video. And if you got value from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot and I really appreciate it. And now, if you want to know the main 3 features in Descript to help you edit video files and audio files like audiobooks quickly in Descript, then watch this video here.